Good morning everyone. Today in this video we will learn about the reproductive strategy of bacteria. Now the most conventional method that is known as binary fission. Now in this case of binary fission, which is basically followed by both the bacteria and archaea, what happens there? It's a very simple process. Okay. The first step is that is a bacterial cell with a nucleus. It contains the DNA. The first step is cell elongation. Okay, what happens? It becomes large. Okay, this cell. Next round is replication of what? The DNA. It is very much important. It needs replication. Okay, so after replication there is 2 copies of DNA have been produced. Now in case of third round, what happens? This was the elongated cell. In case of the next round, there is a segregation of DNA copies. What happens? The 2 DNA that has been segregated and that will move into the different parts of the cell, and finally the cell divides and it will give rise to progeny bacterial cell or 2 daughter cells. Okay, so this is the simple process of binary fission which have been followed by bacteria and archaea, but there are exceptions also, like Hyphomonas. Hyphomonas is kind of a prosthecate bacteria, means they have prostheca. It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. So whenever they need their reproduction and they divide their cell, they usually make a bud at the end of their prostheca, and from this bud progeny bacteria will be produced. Okay, this is also a very simple process. This is another type. Another one that is known as bayocyte formation process, and this is usually followed in case of cyanobacteria like Dermocarpella. Okay, in this type of cyanobacteria, bayocyte forming reproductive strategies can be seen. Now what is the steps in this bayocyte forming strategy? There is a bayocyte. Simple, this is a bayocyte. Now cytoplasm divides, or division of cytoplasm occurs. This will give rise 2 type of cell. What was that? There is a small cell and there is a large cell have been produced. This one is known as apical cell and this one is known as basal cell. Now what happens? This is a bayocyte. Okay, or In the next step, there's a oocyte, the large oocyte, the mother oocyte, or should I say that? Okay, this is a basal cell. This was the oocyte. This oocyte undergoes multiple rounds of division, and that will give rise small oocytes, progeny oocytes. How it looks like this. Okay, these are all of progeny oocytes. So in this way, cyanobacteria, some cyanobacteria, they undergoes the reproduction or oocyte formation is a unique style of reproductive strategy in case of few cyanobacteria. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.